Hey everybody, welcome back to No More No Less. I'm Michael Chikeen, and today I'm with Mojtaba Akhavan-Tafti. Mojtaba is the founder of APT Solar Solutions, whose mission it is to unlock the power of the sun by revolutionizing solar electricity generation and distribution. Mojtaba is also a space scientist, inventor, and part of the research faculty at the University of Michigan College of Engineering. There, he investigates the inner workings of the sun, the earth, and if that's not enough, he teaches satellite mission design and analysis. And that last one seems like a fake job title from The Simpsons to me. But the reason I reached out to Mujtaba is because a couple of months ago, solar flares were in the news again. And it was something I became a little obsessed over about 10 years ago, to the point that I try not to think about it now because they kind of freak me out. So, in an effort to expand how I think about the world, I wanted to interview someone who I could dive into this with and hopefully unlock the larger theme of solar power and renewables. So, Mujtaba, welcome to the show.
Thank you so very much, Michael, for having me.
I guess let's start with how did you get into a field like power generation, solar? Like, how did you go from like we've said before we started recording, growing up in Iran to I'm gonna solve the renewable crisis?
Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm solving any big problems, but the way it all started is so I'm actually a space scientist, as you mentioned. And so that started from my days in college. When I was a junior in college, I had an internship here at the University of Michigan for the summer, where I actually did a project on planet Mercury, using data from a mission called Messenger. It's a NASA mission that um, eventually ended by the satellite running into the planet, and that's normally how planetary missions go.
Really?
But it provided significant amount of data that
Hmm.
we allowed us to learn so much about planet Mercury, because in so many ways it sounds counterintuitive, but planet Mercury looks very much like our planet
Okay.
in that it is a magnetic body. So there's an intrinsic magnetic field inside the planet, and the way it interacts with the sun is very similar to the ways that Earth interacts with the sun.
Hmm.
So I did that project, and then later, as soon as I had the opportunity to apply for the grad school at the University of Michigan, I did, and luckily I got in. And so I started my grad school in 2015, and that's where my journey to the sun began.